In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete site engagement data in Chrome quickly and correctly. This is a simple but really useful cleanup step if you want to clear stored site data, reset permissions, or fix browser issues caused by old cookies and site information. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or applications folder depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, we're going to use a keyboard shortcut to get to the data clearing menu much faster. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This will open the Delete Browsing Data window right away, which saves you from having to dig through multiple settings pages. When the pop-up appears, now set the time ranges to all time. This ensures Chrome clears the selected data from the entire browsing history period, not just the last hour or day. If you're trying to fully reset site-related data, all time is the best choice. After that, click Show More if you see that option. This expands the list and reveals the extra data types that are sometimes hidden by default. This step matters because the exact items we want may not be visible until you expand the menu. Now make sure the following checkboxes are selected: cookies and other site data, site settings, and hosted app data. These are the key items that affect site engagement and stored browser information. Cookies and other site data help remove saved session information. Site settings clears permissions and preferences, and hosted app data removes data stored by web apps inside Chrome. Take a moment to double check that only the options you want are selected. If there are other boxes checked that you do not want to delete, you can uncheck them before continuing. This is a good habit so you don't remove anything important by accident. Once everything looks correct, click the Delete Data button at the bottom of the window. Chrome will begin clearing the selected information, and depending on how much data you have, it may take a few seconds to finish. After that, your chosen site engagement data will be removed from Chrome. And that's it. You've now deleted site engagement data in Chrome using the advanced browsing data options. This can help with website glitches, login problems, loading issues, and general browser cleanup. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Chrome tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.